Hello guys, I am back with another video on users of accounting information. So users of accounting information means those users who need accounting information such as cash flow statement, balance sheet, profit and loss accounts, etc. for various purposes. So in this video we are going to know about who are the users of accounting information and why they need it. Okay. So there are two users of accounting information, which are internal users and external users. Internal users are those users which are directly in contact with the organization, or we can say which are within the organization, whereas external users are those users which are indirectly in contact with the organization, or which are in contact with the organization but from outside. Okay, so internal users are also known as primary users, whereas external users are also known as secondary users. Here are some of the internal users of accounting information, which are management, owners and employees. Okay, so in next slide we are going to study about all these and why they need accounting information such as balance sheet, profit and loss account, etc. Okay, so why internal users need accounting information? Starting with owners to determine whether a business is earning profit or loss. Okay, so as a owner, a person has invested his money, time and effort into his business, and obviously he wants return from the business. So in order to check whether his business is earning profit or loss, he can analyze it through profit and loss account, and to know whether his business is growing, he can know this from balance sheet, that because it shows the financial position of a company. Okay. Next is management. The financial accounting is the eyes and ears of management and facilitates in drawing future courses of action. By this line, eyes and ears of management, I mean that whatever a manager does or whatever decision a manager takes, he takes it with the help of financial information. For example, if the profit and loss account showing that in previous year expenses are more than revenue. Okay, so by checking it or by analyzing it, a manager can know where he is incurring more expenses and how he can reduce it. Okay, so he can decide what he will do in future by watching or by analyzing the previous profit and loss account, etc. Okay, so next is employees. Employees need accounting information to know company's profitability and to know whether there is a chance of increased wages, salary, etc. So that means that company's profitability is directly linked with employees' wages, salary, etc. That means more profitable a company is, higher will be the salary of the employees. For example, the salary of employees at Google and Microsoft will be more than any other company because they are the big companies and are earning a lot of profit. Okay, so next is external users of accounting information. So here are some of the external users of accounting information, which are creditors, government, customers, investors, regulating authorities, etc. So in next slide we are going to study about all of these and why they need accounting information. Okay, so why external users need accounting information? Let's see. First is creditors. To know financial soundness before giving credit. See, creditors are those person who has given their money into the business. So they obviously want to know whether the firm will be able to repay their money back or not. And for this purpose, they used to see accounting information like balance sheet and profit and loss account before giving credit. Okay. So next is investor. To know the financial position of a firm to decide whether to invest or not. See, every investor or every person who has to invest his money, they want to invest in a firm which is having sound financial position because they want their investment to be safe. So for this purpose, they use accounting information. Next is government. To know the earning for the purpose of taxation. Yeah, the main source of revenue of government is taxation, and it is levied on the total earning of a company. So to know the total earning of the company for the purpose of taxation, they use accounting information. Okay, so last is customers. For assessing the financial position of its supplier. See, customers are not the main users of accounting information because not all customers uses accounting information. But still there are some customers who want to know the financial position of its supplier. Like there may be some customers of Apple who want to know whether Apple will be able to survive in the upcoming years or not, or whether Apple is earning profit or not. So for this purpose, some customers need accounting information. Okay, that's all. Thanks Thank you, and if you like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe.